Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Lenovo docking station, dual monitor not working, multi-display, HDMI and driver fix. To quickly fix a Lenovo docking station failing to display dual monitors, first perform a hard reset. Unplug the dock from your laptop and its power source. Then hold the laptop's power button for 10 to 15 seconds and reconnect the power. Then plug the dock back into your laptop. Step 1. Verify connections and cable. For port selection, ensure the docking station is plugged into the laptop's primary USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Look for the lightning bolt icon. For direct connection test, plug each monitor directly into your laptop to verify the monitors and cables are working. For cable quality, verify your HDMI/DisplayPort cables are undamaged. If using USB-C to connect monitors, ensure the cable supports video output, not just charging. Fix 2. Update dock firmware and drivers. Outdated dock software is the most common culprit for multi-monitor issues. Simply visit the Lenovo support website and search for your exact docking station model. Now download and install the latest dock firmware and drivers. Then run the Lenovo Vantage app on your laptop to automatically check for pending BIOS, chipset, and graphics driver updates. Fix 3. Check Windows display settings. Your monitors may simply be unconfigured or disabled in Windows. So right-click the desktop, from there select Display Settings and scroll down to find multiple displays. Now click Detect if the monitors are completely missing, and ensure the Multiple Displays drop-down is set to extend these displays. Fix 4. Adjust power and sleep settings. First, right-click on the Start menu. Now, from the options, select Device Manager. Inside Device Manager, scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controller and System Devices. Now, in it, find Root Hub/Devices and right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Properties. Now go to Power Management tab and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click OK. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.